Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the battery on Audi A6 All-Pro Quattro 2020 and so on. It's a diesel one. So you press that button there, take the key out, and with the screwdriver where the button was for the key, just press that one and open the cover. Just remember that the lock for it just have to press down towards down and then come out. The screwdriver, take the battery out. It's CR2032 and I'm gonna change with the new one. Make sure you put the bottom one on first and then click and then the key back on, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.